if you die, I promise I'll still take care of Sam.
Dude. I'll fucking haunt you.
Hey, it's better this way. Close your eyes.
Okay.
There you go. So peace.
Shit, dude, stop. Don't encourage him.
Sweet prince.
Stop. Fucking dick.
Hey, man, listen, and I really mean this. If it had to be anybody, I'm just glad it wasn't me.
Oh, fuck off.
No, it's okay, man. We got someone coming.
Really?
Yeah. And while we wait, we can all sit around and watch Nomi tear my ass out for sleeping with Casey.
Jesus Christ. Max, I swear to God, when we get out of here, I'm gonna punch you in the fucking mouth with the 4 fingers I have left.
That's fair.
Yeah, fair.
Okay.
Fucking cheers.
Fuck yeah.
Hey, luckily we got a hold of that guy, right? I mean, like, we really could have been fucked here, you know?
Well, one of us was fucked here tonight.
You can try.
Hey, you doing okay? Yes, Casey, I'm fine. Get out! Get out! I don't think he's coming. Then what should we do?
We have to get Thomas to a car.
No! No!
No one is coming.
Can't we call someone else? Come on.
I have been trying all night. There's no one.
Then I'll have to go get the car. I'll go. He's my baby brother. And I should go because it's my fault, right? That's what you're thinking?
It is your fault!
Samantha!
She told him to leave and he did, and now he might die. This is your fucking fault!
You need to back off!
No one did this!
Let's get you back to Tommy, okay? Let's get you to Tommy, okay?
I'll go.
Why?
Because I should. And because I don't have a mangled leg.
If anything happens, I'll come for you. Okay?
Keys?
Here, read this.
Oh, fuck.
What?
Oh my god. The keys, they must have fallen out in the woods.
What?
Here. Just have to try the other part.
Okay.
I'll get your jacket.
No, it's just gonna slow me down.
Casey, you'll freeze to death. Take it.
All right. Let's do this.
Don't look back, Casey.
Okay. no, 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 come on. No, come on, come on.
She's in the car. What is she doing?
It won't start.
Our time is nearly coming to a close, my friends. And thank you for spending your
Did you leave the
holiday
car
with me
unplugged?
before digging into those presents and those I have a few more songs to carry us through this final magical hour of our program. So stay tuned.
What in the fuck is this?
I wasn't thinking.
And now what?
Well, I could ask you the same thing. I'm closing the door.
No, what about Casey?
Sam,
Where to go?
there's no way I could have known. Please don't do this, Sam. Please. Sam, please.
No way I could have known. How was I supposed to know? You just killed your fucking best friend.
Sam? Is that you?
It's Nomi.
Hey, sis.
Hey. I'm sorry. How are you doing?
I think I want everyone to stop asking me that.
Yeah. I guess I sound like Mom, hey?
No. I mean, you're not complaining about me ruining your towels. Is Casey okay?
I'm gonna get her and then I'm gonna get you out of here, okay? I promise.
What would we do without you? Can you turn the light off on your way out?
Of course. Sam.
I'm so scared.
Move.
What are you gonna do?
We're gonna go help Casey, asshole.
What's the plan?
Distraction.
Good a plan as any.
With any luck, whatever it is isn't around.
Oh, really?
Well, listeners, this is the Wolf signing off to howl at that big, beautiful Christmas moon. Let this Yuletide classic enchant you, and I wish you all the happiest of holidays.
Somebody was fucked here tonight.
Casey!
Okay, we have to hurry. Pass it up.
Help me! Help me, please, somebody! Somebody come and help me!
Did you see that thing?
Of course I didn't. What the fuck is it? Thanks for killing the fucking car.
I'm sorry. I'm glad you're okay.
Yeah, no thanks to you. That creature almost killed me.
Yeah, I know. I get it. Fuck.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. Thomas is still there. I tried calling on the radio, but no one is at. Okay. I'll figure this out. Just keep him company, okay? Guys, look. I know that this is a lot to ask, but we have to go find the other keys. Tommy really needs our help, and we all have to get out of here.
No, I'm not going back out there.
Come on.
No, I'm sorry, but I'm not.
You shouldn't have made her go up there in the first place.
Nick, don't start.
Can I talk to you in the kitchen?
Oh, sure.
We have to go find the other keys without Casey.
Yes, I obviously realize
Of
this.
course, but let's talk game plan here.
The more of us with weapons, the better.
No, don't be hasty. Listen to me. Nick has been a fucker since the war began. He's not wrong. He's a detriment.
Mm-hmm.
And we also have nothing for Casey's refusal.
We can't take Samantha. She's got to look after Thomas. Looks like it's just you and me.
We can't just fly out there blind. We need to sit tight and make a plan.
Max, we don't have the luxury of writing up schematics and setting booby traps. We have to go now.
No, Thomas is my best friend. We're not going to let anything else happen to him tonight. Get as many people as we can distracted. I'm going to go convince Casey that she can do at least that.
Ah, yes. Maybe she'll listen to you now since you're so fucking close.
No, we don't have time for this.
Oh, but we have the time for your bullshit. Oh, you fuck. We have to get moving.
I don't think we're ready.
Max, we're never gonna be ready, okay? Come on.
Fuck!
I'm not going out onto the porch, but I'll stand at the door.
Whatever, just help, okay?
Tommy's asking for you.